Aditi, I saw clips from your theatre workshop. It looked amazing.
Thanks, Anna. It's something I've been working toward for a while.
Must have taken some planning and money.
True, I'd been investing in a large cap fund and that helped.
What's that exactly?
Large cap funds are mutual funds that invest in shares of the top 100 listed companies in terms of market capitalization. These are probably well-established businesses.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, I invested regularly with a long-term goal in mind. Of course, all investments carry market risk, so it's important to be clear on your goals and risk comfort.
That's good to know. I've been thinking about starting something too.
Then go for it. Even small steps can make a difference over time.
है ये ExtraOrdinaari, an investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.